Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite buffalo sauce. It's so quick and easy and delicious. Wings, meatballs, whatever you want to do. So I have 3/4 of a cup of my favorite hot sauce. Wow, that's cooking for you. Got my pan preheated. So I like to use Valentina's. It's really good, but you can use Frank's hot sauce, whatever you like, whatever your favorite is. So I'm gonna turn that down a bit. I'm new to using this little burner here. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of my hot sauce in here. I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, which is 8 tablespoons. So it's the whole stick going in. I know, you thought maybe that the hot sauce that you use or the buffalo sauce is like low cal. Not so much. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I just like a little bit of sweet in there with mine. You can leave it out. Okay, gonna let that just melt together. I'm also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. I love this stuff because it's clean tasting. Lemon juice would be fine, regular white vinegar would be fine as well. And just a 1/2 teaspoon of this. I can never say this correctly, so I'm gonna show you.
All right, it's
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
So I'm just gonna eyeball it, but I'll give you the recipe, will be in the description, okay? And then since I use it unsalted butter, I'm just gonna put in just a sprinkle of salt. I love this little salt thing. Our friend Kevin gave us this. He did this on top and it looks so beautiful. I don't know if you've ever seen my cutting boards, but he made that beautiful cutting board for us. Okay, so this is all I gotta do, let this melt, stir it together, and we're gonna have this beautiful sauce. Like I said, you could put this over wings, meatballs. I'm actually gonna make some chicken meatballs later. That's what we're gonna have. Doesn't that sound good? Okay, so that's it. It came together that quickly. You probably have this stuff already in your pantry. So it's that quick to make. You don't need to buy it already done. And plus you get to flavor it kind of the way you like. That's the nice thing about cooking at home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please do. And don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified next time we have our video coming out. Okay, we love y'all.